Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video we are going to be cooking this green leafy vegetable, and I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it tastes really good. So I think in Indonesian they call it bok choy, and then maybe in English it's bok choy. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but today this is what we're cooking. So this is what I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bushels of bok choy, and I know it looks like a lot, guys, but it is going to cook down, trust me. We're also going to be using garlic, and I'm going to use a lot of garlic, so I'm actually going to use the whole thing here. We're going to be using in Indonesian called saus tiram, or oyster sauce. I'm also going to be using bouillon cubes. We're going to be cooking with a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm also going to be adding some water later. So let's get started. Let's prepare our vegetables. Take off this plastic tape here, holding them together. And now I like to cut the end off like this. You can leave most of that if you want, but I like to cut them off, and then we're left with the nice leaves like this. I'm going to cut all of them to where they're like this, rinse them, and I'll be right back. All of our leaves are rinsed. I've got all the dirt off of them. You can see that some of them have been a little bit munched on, but I'm going to go ahead and use that one. But I've set aside these ones that are yellowing, and they don't look so good. So we're not going to use these type of leaves, but the rest of them look really good. I like to take leaves that are large like this and actually cut them in half, and then I like to cut them up into smaller sizes. You don't have to do that, but I prefer to do it. And an easy way is to just stack some of the large ones together. And if you want to cut them down half that way, and then I usually cut them into thirds. So I'm going to do that with all of these really large leaves. Alright guys, our bok choy is all into small bite-sized pieces. Let's set this aside. And now we're going to work on our garlic. All I'm going to do is peel each of the cloves, and then with each clove I'm going to dice it into smaller pieces. So I'm going to do that with the rest. In a little bit of olive oil, we're going to saute our garlic. Let's get our bouillon cubes ready. So we're going to take them and we're going to smash them up. Just make them into a nice powder. Our garlic is smelling really, really good. So now it's time to add our vegetables. Put all of your vegetables in there. Wow, now take a look at that. That is a full bowl. Keep on stirring, and it's going to cook down. Mix your garlic in with your vegetables. Now that our vegetables have been tossed with our garlic, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. And we're going to mix that around and let the water cook our vegetables. It's going to kind of steam them. And now at the same time, we're going to add our oyster sauce, or our saus tiram. And today I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of this sauce. Let's go ahead and mix that around really well into our vegetables. Now we're going to let that cook for a little bit longer. Oops, that guy hopped out. Let's throw him back in there. Now that that's been cooking a little bit, let's go ahead and add our bouillon cubes that I have crushed into a powder. And let's mix that all up together really well. So let's coat our vegetables with the bouillon cubes. Alright guys, check this out. It was almost overflowing with our vegetables, but now look at it. It has cooked down so much. This is going to be part of our dinner tonight, so let's serve this up to the family. Marty and Sarah are going to give it a try with me and let us know what they think. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's crispy.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, that's good. It almost has a little spicy taste to it, like a little bit of like
yeah, when you
radish
swallow,
kind of.
it like bites you.
It's good, man.
It doesn't feel spicy
Super
to
good.
me.
Like it's, I don't know. There's something like a radishy kind of flavor. good, man.
This is a good vegetable. And we like garlic, so we put a lot of garlic in ours, but you can adjust that however you would like. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video, this recipe. I hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.